Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing files and the transfer path so you can change icons fast. Plug a FAT32 or XFAT USB into your computer and create a PS4-compatible folder layout. Prepare PNGs at 512x512 or 256x256. You're matching OS expectations to avoid distortion. Once done, rename each icon to match the app package ID or theme slot so the console will match. Now you handle the middle steps, moving files and ensuring the system accepts them. Connect to the PS4 via FTP or use a custom theme editor on PC to open the theme or package. Replace the icon PNGs inside the correct folders, keeping exact file names so the OS links icons to apps. If the package needs re-signing or repackaging, do that now. Without proper signing, the console will reject it. Once files are ready, save a new package and prepare for install. Finish by installing the new theme or package and confirming the icons changed. You'll install using settings themes or via your content manager, then reboot the PS4 to force the UI to refresh. Check multiple app spots and make sure icons are not stretched or cut off. If they are, adjust PNG size and repackage. If something goes wrong, restore the backup you saved earlier, correct file names or dimensions, and reinstall. This fixes the vast majority of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.